engineers, have to have some responsibility, even not a significant responsibility, in the consequences of what they have designed. So I'd mentioned that it had such a profound effect on me to be able to go to the Niger Delta region in Nigeria and see how the effects of the current technology of drilling and extraction of oil and all these other natural resources was having such a devastating impact on the people. And sometimes they did not really, the companies did not really get it, because they would say, well, we've built a different settlement and we've put in modern amenities for the people there, and we expect them to leave this area. But when you pluck people away from their ancestral lands, you take something away from them, and it's a soul of the community that is completely lost. And the narrative that led to that movement is something that would endure, because they would always remember that time as a time that we were moved away. It will become part of their oral history. And that can have a profound impact on how that community develops. See, something that was just simply business as usual has now led to a complete different cultural dynamics with the people. And understanding that from the get-go is really what I think what we're trying to do here, to, if possible, get our students not just to understand the consequences, to empathize with the consequences, but also to design against those consequences. Not everyone is going to be able to get that, that point of revelation or that exposure, but nevertheless, they will still end up working in areas where there are consequences to what they do. And so it might seem that they are far removed. But if we bring those experiences, that training, we bring those models into the classroom, then we'll be creating a new kind of engineer. Not the engineer that's always just been focused on, let's get the job done, I really don't care about people. The stereotypical engineer that doesn't, no social skills whatsoever. But rather now the engineer who will say, wait a minute, let's stop. Let's think about this and say, where is this going to end up? That's really what engineering is. There's always going to be a better way. We're not doing things now, even technically, we're not doing things now the way we were doing them 10 years ago, not 20 years ago. So it takes somebody with a different mindset, a different, kind of creativity to come up with a different way of doing things. I'm happy with the results that we've gotten, because what you're looking for is not one specific metric, but it's the entire individual now. Right. And I mean, I've been privileged to see that change. I came in when this particular this group of seniors were going into their junior year, and just the difference between 1 year has been remarkable. And then I teach freshman classes also, and I see when they come in, and I'm hoping that we can see that same transformation by the time they finish in their senior year. And so that individual has changed. And if the individual has changed, then that change goes into society. It goes into the workplace. It goes into the public consciousness. The community changes. People, so it starts from the individual. And I think that's really what we're hoping to do here.